Also known as Coco of Custom Hair Couture, and I'm here partnering today with Good Hair Inc. And this is a video on how to color virgin hair in the microwave. What we have here right now is a 16-inch Cambodian. It has a really pretty wave to it, and the color that we're coloring it today is L'Oreal High Color Red Fire. So it's going to be a really pretty copper color. With coloring virgin hair without bleach, basically we use 2 ounces of color, 2 ounces of developer, and it needs to be a 40 volume. Box color or store-bought color doesn't necessarily work because it only colors with a 20 volume developer. So basically what we have here is the hair laid out in some plastic, and we have about 4 ounces of color. And the way I start is take about 1/4 of the color and pour it across the hair. You unroll the bundle and fold it across. And so I pour a little bit of the hair color in the middle of the bundle. And then take the color brush and just start to spread the color. And with coloring evenly, you want to make sure that you color from the weft all the way down. So while spreading the color, you want to start at the weft. Because generally, if you're coloring a client's hair, the hair may sometimes turn out to be a little bit lighter, the natural hair. So it's better to have the color evenly or a little bit lighter at the weft. So you want to make sure that the hair is completely saturated with color. You're going to pick the hair up and make sure that it's completely covered. Just spread out whatever's left to make sure the color comes out even with no spots, no dark spots. Once you see the color is even, you can unfold it, and you see the color is completely, the hair is completely saturated with color. You can fold the bundle back up and wrap it up in the bag. And place it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Wait for it to color. So when you take it out of the microwave, make sure that you have a towel or something because it is going to be a little hot. But you'll see that the hair is colored completely. Shampooing the hair out. You want to use a gentle shampoo, a shampoo of your choice, whatever you prefer, as long as it's sulfate free with the hair color. Again, I don't recommend that clients do this at home. If you do want hair color, you should always consult a professional. So you want to shampoo out at least twice. I prefer to shampoo 3 or 4 times just to make sure that the hair is clean. And it is also better to work with hair that has been properly cleaned. It always behaves better, cuts better, flat irons out better, curls better. Whatever style you're trying to achieve is going to be better with clean hair. clean hair that's been conditioned properly. And you don't want to scrub the hair, you just want to elongate and pull the shampoo through with hair color because the hair can tangle. As you can see, the color is starting to show a little bit better with the shampoo. And again, this is only with aniline derivative hair color, not with bleach. With bleach, this isn't necessary. This is just when you're trying to put a particular pigment in the hair. And whatever hair color the client wants, or whatever hair color you may want, you just use that same color on the bundle of hair that you're coloring, of course. But generally you need a box of color, a 2-ounce box of color, and developers per bundle. You know, different color companies require different amounts of developer. Usually it's equal parts, but generally you need 2 ounces of color per bundle. Okay, I'm gonna shampoo one more time. Squeeze a little bit of the water out, and then condition. Use as much conditioner as you're comfortable with. I generally use more conditioner than shampoo, but you want the hair to be as soft as possible, especially with just taking it through a chemical process. And once you feel the hair is conditioned, you can actually, if you don't feel the hair is conditioned well enough, you can actually place it back in a grocery bag or another plastic bag and place it in the microwave for about a minute or so. And that's actually a deep condition as well for a virgin hair. As long as the hair has moisture on it, it's completely saturated with whatever color or whatever, it's safe to put in the microwave for no longer than a minute and 30 seconds. You can see the color showing a little bit better. Of course, it always shows lighter once it's dry and it's been flat ironed. But you have a completely colored bundle of hair from the microwave in a minute and 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm actually just blow drying the hair because the color shows a little bit better once it's completely dry. But if you can see, complete even color from microwave. Some know me as Coco. If you need my contact, if you need to contact me, you can reach me at Instagram, Custom Hair Couture. That's Instagram, Custom Hair Couture, CustomHairCouture. And my website is actually www.customhaircouture.com. I'm based out of LA, but I do travel monthly to take Atlanta clients. When I do travel, I work at the Salon Ramsey Midtown location on 9th Street. And I'm also partnering today with Good Hair Inc. They carry Cambodian, Mongolian, Peruvian, and Malaysian hair. Very good hair. The website is www.goodhairinc.com. Everything is Good Hair Inc. Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram.